Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use an automatic threader on a Singer 2732 sewing machine. I recently did a video on how to thread this machine manually, so to get the pattern from beginning to end, I'll put that link in the description below. The unit we're talking about today is this plastic piece that pivots when you pull it down, and all we're going to do is we're going to take our thread once you get to the final loop here, right before putting it through the eye of the needle, and you're going to pull down the automatic threader part way and then put your thread around the first loop here, and then you're going to push down until these two prongs come around the needle. And then you won't be able to see it on camera, but if you look closely from the left with your eyes, you'll see about the width of a hair there's a little hook that comes through the eye of the needle. And you're going to take your thread and pull up and then kind of diagonally towards the back, and then you're going to keep just a little tension, release, and your thread is now through the needle. So it saves you all the hassle of trying to thread it with your hands, and it's very simple once you get the hang of it. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully this was helpful, and please like and subscribe.